Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, Miss Callie NGA, the librarian in the know. Miss Callie NGA, Miss Callie NGA, the librarian in the know. Today guys, I do know because today is an easy topic. Today is going to be another episode of What's in the Box. Got 2 new boxes today and I will be unboxing them with you guys today. I honestly don't remember what I ordered, so it's going to be a surprise for the both of us. So I did update my subscribe sign. I know my little one, this has done so well with my crayons, but I was like, I'm the media specialist. Why not just make one, print it, and laminate it? So, drum roll, please. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the channel, watch my videos, share my videos, tell all your librarian friends about my videos, even if they're not librarians. Tell them, hey, watch this cool video, talk about books. Yes, I said girl because she's still young. Anyway, so let's get to unboxing what's in the box. This one's busted. It fell off the truck, so hopefully no books were damaged, but they killed my surprise of running the scissors through the tape to open it up. So let's see what we got. One Earth, People of Color Protecting Our Planets. Collapse and Chaos, the story of the 2010 earthquake in Haiti. I think this is that nonfiction overhaul I did. Every Day I Pray by Ayana. The Inner Planets, because some of the books we had, Pluto was still a planet, so I had to pull them. So we had to get new planet books. Asteroids, Meteors, Meteorites, and Comets. Perspectives on Modern World History, the Haiti Earthquake. Let me slide these over. Be Ready for Anything. How to Survive Tornadoes, Earthquakes, Pandemics, Mass Shootings, Nuclear Disasters, and Other Life-Threatening Events. Living Through the Meantime, Learning to Break the Patterns of the Past and Begin the Healing Process. This is a majority Black school. I think it's like 98% Black and 2% Hispanic. And the books we had on spirituality were all written by Caucasian people. So I wanted to mix it up, give them a little different options in their spiritual journey. So I did get some spiritual self-helpy books written by authors of color. The Outer Planets again. I think that's again. Colonizing Planets. Black Holes Explained. Investigating Plate Tectonics, Earthquakes, and Volcanoes. T.D. Jakes Speaks to Men. Dealing with Teen Pregnancy. Teen Pregnancy and Motherhood. Theodore Gray's Completely Mad Science Experiments You Can Do at Home but Probably Shouldn't. Curiosity, Missions on Mars. I need to speed this up. Somebody just walked by the door and I don't want them popping in. Allah, God in the Quran. Another one of those mad science books. Oh, geez. AP Physics Prep, because the prep books they had were old. AP Physics Premium Prep 2021. A lot of mad science. Like I said, I think this really was my nonfiction overall. Mad science. One Earth, we saw that one. I don't know why they just don't bundle them together. A Visual Guide to Volcanoes and Earthquakes. AP Chemistry. AP Physics 1, Algebra Based. ASVAB Prep 2020-2021. Oh, I'm running out of space, but I got one more box. Reaching for the Moon. I think these are all were science spacey. AP Chemistry. T.D. Jakes, The Relationships Bible. AP Physics Premium with Practice Test. ASVAB prep 2020-2021. And some stuffing. Oh, they did not steal my joy with this one. I get to open it up when I don't even know where my scissors are. Oh, it's okay. Hold on. Got a blade. You gotta have a blade nearby. I know they used to tell me from my days of working at Home Depot, never cut towards yourself. You risk cutting yourself. But I'm left-handed, so it's pretty awkward to cut away from myself. All right, box number 2. Let's see what we got. This might have been box number 1 because the invoice was in. Lord, they put these little Egyptian myth. Make Forest Mem science experiments. Science fair projects about planet Earth. Mysteries of meteors, asteroids, and comets. Mansa Musa. I'm going to push him because we need to learn about Mansa Musa. The most famous African traveler to Mecca. He was also very wealthy. Planet Earth Explained. And we're going to end off of the last book of Mansa Musa. I hope I'm saying it right. Mansa Musa. Yes. So they gave us, I have 2 of these. So yes, this was another episode of What's in the Box. So this was, like I said, this was my nonfiction, a little nonfiction order I did with mostly science books in there. So thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe. If you want to watch other episodes of What's in the Box, I think I had 2. No, it was just 1 more. It was this Title E subscription box. And I should be getting my January one soon. So feel free to click on a video. It's going to be here, somewhere, one of these corners. I pointed last time and was wrong. So in one of these corners, it'll pop up a link for you to watch the last unboxing video if you missed it. But yes, thank you for joining and tuning in. Thank you for tuning in and watching another episode of What's in the Box. Remember to subscribe, like the video. Watch the whole video all the way through, for real, please. Just watch it all the way through so you can see at the end, because you might miss something. Why would I say this at the end? Maybe I should start saying watch the whole video in the beginning. Yes, note to self, she would say that in the beginning of the next video. So subscribe, and thank you for joining me on my channel, Miss Callie NGA, the librarian in the know. And she knew she had to order some more nonfiction books about science because ours were outdated. Pluto was still a planet, and we had to get it together. So yes. Once again, I'll see you guys next time. Until then, thank you for joining Miss Callie NGA. Miss Callie NGA, the librarian in